President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has implemented sweeping changes to his administration, including ministerial reassignments, new appointments, and structural modifications to key ministries. Among the most notable changes is the restructuring of the Ministry of Niger Delta Development, now renamed as the Ministry of Regional Development.
The President has approved the immediate implementation of 8 far-reaching actions to reinvigorate the administration's capacity for optimal efficiency, pursuant of its commitment to deliver on its promises to Nigerians. The 8 actions approved by the President include: 1. As the Minister of Information had already told us, the renaming of the Ministry of Niger Delta Development to Ministry of Regional Development to oversee the activities of all the regional development commissions. The regional development commissions to be under the supervision of the new ministry are the Niger Delta Development Commission, the Southeast Development Commission, the Northeast Development Commission, and the Northwest Development Commission.
This expanded ministry will oversee all regional development commissions, including those in the Niger Delta, Southeast, Northeast, and Northwest regions. In a move to streamline operations, the Ministry of Sports Development will be dissolved, with its functions transferred to the National Sports Commission under the new leadership of Shehu Diko. Additionally, the Federal Ministry of Tourism and Art and Culture will be merged to form the Federal Ministry of Art, Culture, Tourism, and the Creative Economy. The reshuffle sees 10 ministers reassigned to new portfolios, including Dr. Doris Uzoka Anita, who is moving from Industry, Trade and Investment to become Minister of State for Finance, and Senator John Owan Eno, transitioning from Sports Development to Minister of State for Trade and Investment. 5 ministers have been discharged from their duties, including Barrister Uju Kennedy Ohaneye from Women Affairs and Professor Tahir Maman from Education. Among the 7 new appointments, notable additions include Bianca Odumegu Ojukwu, former diplomat and widow of Biafran leader Chukwuemeka Odumegu Ojukwu, as Minister of State for Foreign Affairs, and Dr. Jumoke Oduwole as Minister of Industry, Trade and Investment. The President has also appointed Sunday Akindare as Special Advisor on Public Communications and Orientation, working from the Ministry of Information and National Orientation. In his directive to the newly appointed and resigned ministers, President Tinubu emphasized that these appointments are a call to serve the nation and urged the appointees to align with their administration vision for national growth and development. Stay informed with news updates at NaijaNews TV.